Okay, here's a real quick video, part 2 of the stereo speaker enclosure video that I made. A couple days ago I made a speaker enclosure to improve the sound of the tab trailer speakers. I made a crude little box, 6 by 6 by 3, no big deal, and did some tests with it, and it seriously improved the sound. Now, what I did find online, I started doing some research, and it turns out that for a 6-inch speaker, or any particular size speaker, there's a long formula for how much interior volume space should be in the enclosure behind the speaker for perfect sound. Now, I didn't want to get too wonky, but it turns out that this speaker is a little bit, this 6 by 6 by 3, that works out to about 60.75 cubic inches in volume. That's how much space is back here. And that's a little small according to the formulas. I worked the formulas out a little bit, and what I found out is if we make a change to the speaker boxes, we can get even better sound out of it without much compromise at all. So I just found some old oak, and I cut 6 pieces out of it. 8 inches by 6 inches, 8 inches by 3 inches, and 5.25 inches by 3 inches, all 3/4 inch thick. So to make 2 of these boxes, you had to cut 10 boards. To make 2 of these boxes, you only have to cut 6, because when these are assembled, that makes up a box, because you can use the bottom of the cabinet here and the side of the cabinet here for the other 2 sizes. So instead of having to cut 5 sides, you only have to cut 3. This also increases the volume inside here. The interior volume is 7.25 by 5.25 by 3, and that works out to 114.1875 inches. So instead of 60 square inches in this guy, we're up to 114. So this is easier to make and makes it sound better because it's interior volume. But as far as taking up space in the cabinet, it only takes up 2 additional inches, and not horizontally, only vertically. So that wasted space that was up on top is taken up. Much improvement. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these up. You need to make mirror images of each other, this being left and this being right. I'll glue these up and we'll get them in the trailer and show you what's going on. These are some oak. I'll stain that up and it'll better match the interior of the trailer than this MDF that I had. Anyway, see you in a bit. Okay, I've just typical glue, glued them up. Where's my brad nailer to tack them together. So let's go on into the trailer and show you how these install. Okay, installation of this couldn't be any easier. Now you see how the bottom of the cabinet makes the bottom of the box, and that wall of the cabinet will make the side of the box. So it's just a matter of lifting up the light wires and sliding it into place. I can't do that with one hand, but we'll be right back. So there we are, installed. No big deal. Okay, before we finish putting this in, a couple of tips here. Cut a little slot in the top to allow the speaker wire to come in. And this is synthetic fiber. It's like what they put in upholstery and stuff. You can get it about an inch thick. If you put that in the back like that before you install it, that'll actually help the sound. This slows the air down the inside and makes the box seem even bigger acoustically. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in and we'll run the test. Okay, I have the speaker out. Pretty easy, just 4 screws. But the trick is to make that enclosure airtight. So you can see in the corners and around the edges, I've put some latex caulk. Just a little bit, just enough to seal it. But you want to get that box as airtight as possible. Okay, before I put the speaker in, I've got my batting installed. Just push it in through the front. Okay, we'll start with the same song on that side. That's original with no enclosure on it. There we are with on the right hand side with the enclosure. We'll go back to the left. There's some bass on the right with the enclosure. There's how it sounds on the left with none. And back over to the right. Serious improvement. Okay, so we're going to cut a little slot in here for the speaker and put some batting in here and get this side done. Back in a bit. Okay, we're done. Both speaker enclosures in place. Looks nice. Sounds great. So until next time, see you later. Drive safe.